I'm Malia. I don't know why I can't say that without it sounding really corny. I am sitting in the biggest room of the house that God blessed me with over 3 years ago. And as you can see behind me, keeping it real, it has accumulated a lot of things like a storage unit. It's not supposed to be a storage unit. Today, I am going to start turning this bedroom into my dream bedroom. Why is this bedroom so important? Well, let me tell you. Don't go yet. This bedroom is important because not only is it going to become my dream bedroom, but it is going to symbolize me not giving up on myself anymore. Okay, let's get started. Go me! Go me! To make it worse, I am on my period today. It just started and I don't feel like standing up and doing anything. So if I'm going to change this mindset of not getting things done, today was just the perfect day to do it, right? The amount of dead spiders that I am sweeping up is horrendous. It's really not making me feel cozy inside, I'm just saying. Good morning and welcome to day 2 of building my dream bedroom. Today we're gonna paint this whole room and listen to the echo, like it already sounds like a new room. It's crazy. Today we are going to paint the whole room and I need to pick up a couple of things from Home Depot, which I already did a pickup order for because I do not feel like going into the store. And then we are going to order a few things from Amazon, like our new bed and bed frame and a couple of cute little things like shelving. With such a busy day, let's get started. Update. I have the first coat down. It's already looking so much brighter in here. Now I got on some very quick purple attire so that I can go over to Home Depot to get a couple of things, and I need more white paint because this room is huge and it takes like one bucket on its own. So I'm gonna go get some more white paint, and then I am gonna go over to Burlington, stop over there and see what they have because I really wanna get my bedding from there, preferably the curtains and possibly the curtain rod, maybe a little bit of decor. So we're gonna head over there, see what they have, and then I'll come back to continue painting the room either today or tomorrow. Good morning, it is the next day and the paint is dry, obviously. First coat is all throughout the room. So now we are going to get the next coat on the wall. I did not even touch the door yet. That'll be another day. Okay, y'all, happy update. The room is painted and I'm so happy with the results. It looks so good. The light was shining in here just a little bit when I was painting and it looked so cute. We're gonna paint the door a different color, so I did not paint it. The white looks really nice with our color of our floors. So I have to get the paint off the floor next. The little paint residue, but y'all, we did it.